Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer language dialects with Bab.la, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Bab.la website. Once the page has loaded, look for the language option at the top of the screen. Click on the drop-down menu to select the languages you want to work with. Next, locate the section for dialects or regional variations. Here, you may find specific options for different dialects within the selected language. Choose the dialect you want to transfer or translate. After making your selection, look for the text input box on the page. Type or paste the text you wish to translate in that box. Confirm that it's in the correct dialect you've selected before proceeding. Then, click on the Translate or Convert button to initiate the process. Wait a moment for the results to appear on the screen. Review the translated text carefully for accuracy and context. If needed, you can make adjustments to the original text and retranslate. Once satisfied with the results, you can copy the translated text. To save the translation, consider pasting it into a document or email. Explore additional features on Bab.la, such as pronunciation guides, if needed. Feel free to check other dialects for more comprehensive understanding. Remember to take notes on any important differences you observe. This process allows you to effectively transfer language dialects using Bab.la. With practice, you'll become more familiar with navigating the website efficiently. Enjoy exploring the rich variety of language dialects available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.